Look, building an aesthetic body is every boy's dream, but can everyone achieve it? Probably not. But it is possible that after watching this video, you will too. If your age is between 14 and 25 and you are thinking of building muscle right at home, then trust me guys. If you seriously follow my 5 exercises and tips, then in just 2 weeks, you will start seeing clear changes in your body. Whether you are skinny or a little fat, you can bring your body into an aesthetic shape, and that too without any equipment. By the end of the video, you will get a proper workout plan that you can easily follow at home. Along with that, the most important thing is a simple diet plan, which will fast improve your results. So now let's start the transformation. First, you need to understand what an aesthetic body is. A slim body like Ronaldo's, a muscular body like Saqib Gokhal's, or a perfectly balanced body like David Lade's. Let's clear up this confusion. Tell me, out of the 2 guys on the screen, who looks more muscular and like a man, and who looks like a soft boy? Thought about it? Now look at these 2 other photos. See? You probably placed these guys in the boy category and these in the men category. But why? Is it because of the beard? Look at these 2 photos again. Neither of them has a beard anywhere, but you still placed one in the boy and the other in the men category. This means that apart from a beard, there are other things that make any man masculine and aesthetic. Meaning a balanced body where your form is defined, the body looks like a V shape, abs are visible, and whenever you wear any dress, you look like a sharp and strong man. For this, you need a full body exercise plan, and that is what you're going to learn in the next part. First, in 3 steps, you will unlock a full body exercise plan. And in the next 2 steps, the most important thing, without which doing your workout would be a waste of time, meaning mindset and distraction control. So don't miss that. Step 1, push-pull power. Look, broad arms, a wide chest, strong shoulders, and perfect triceps. These all play a massive role in creating an aesthetic physique. But for this, you must clearly know which exercise builds which part of the body. Push-ups. It's a basic but super effective exercise. Push-ups will build your chest shape, make arms strong, and keep the core tight as well. If you are a beginner, start with knee push-ups. Once you gain some confidence, shift to normal push-ups. Start with 5, then 10, then as many reps as you can, but the form should be perfect. Incline push-ups. You can do this using any table, bed, or wall. This activates your upper chest and shoulders very well. Maintain a slow and controlled movement. Diamond push-ups. Place your hands on the ground in a diamond shape. This exercise directly targets your inner chest and triceps. It's a bit tough, but gives strong results. Try doing 3 sets with slow control. Pull movements. Now let's talk about some pull movements. It's a bit tough at home without a pull-up bar, but don't worry, there is a simple solution. Doorway rows. Trap a strong towel in both handles of a door, and you can easily do rows. This will target your back and biceps. And if a towel or handle setup isn't available, try reverse table dips. This activates both triceps and upper back. Overall, it's important to balance both push and pull type exercises so that body proportion is maintained and your upper body looks well-defined. Step 2, build that V shape. Here comes the most eye-catching part of the body that makes your physique aesthetic, the V shape. This shape doesn't come just from building abs. For this, you have to work on your core and upper body proportions. And don't worry, all this is possible at home without any equipment. Let's talk about some effective core exercises. Leg raises. Lie flat on the surface. Bring both legs straight up and bring them down with control. This directly targets your lower abs. Do 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps in each set. Plank. This is a static exercise but very powerful for the core. Hold your body on your elbows, keep your back straight, and start with 30 seconds initially. Gradually increase the time. Russian twists. Sit on the ground, keep your legs slightly raised, and twist your body left and right. This hits the obliques, which defines your V-line. Mountain climbers. Get into a push-up position and bring your legs in and out at a fast pace. This burns fat along with targeting the abs. Abs will only be visible when the fat percentage is low. So along with core training, a slightly clean diet and light cardio are also necessary. So if you consistently follow these exercises, even for 15 to 20 minutes daily, your core will become strong and gradually you will start seeing a sharp V shape in your body. Step 3, build lower body. Now let's talk about the lower body, which people often skip. But without strong legs, your body never looks complete. The lower body gives you power, stability, and balance. That's why you need some effective lower body workouts. Bodyweight squats. Keep your feet shoulder-width apart, move your hips backward as if sitting on a chair, and then come back up. This exercise works on your quads, glutes, and calves. 3 sets, 15 reps. Lunges. Take one leg forward, dip the body while bending down, and come back. Then repeat with the other leg. This improves balance and core stability along with the legs. Wall sit. Get into a sitting position with your back against the wall and hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds. It sounds simple, but your thighs will burn. Calf raises. Stand straight. Lift up on the toes of your feet and then come down. This gives your calves shape and strength. 3 sets, 20 reps. All these exercises will be helpful for your posture, endurance, and fat loss. You will achieve a complete aesthetic body. Step 4. Recovery diet. The world's biggest bodybuilders and anyone with real fitness knowledge always say one thing: you only work out for 1 hour, and your body isn't built just by that. Your body is built by what you do and what you eat for the remaining 23 hours. And this is 100% true because abs are made in the kitchen. This is not just a quote, it's 100% true. But a big problem is that our meals lack protein and nutrients. According to a study, 70% of people lack proper protein and nutrition. Protein is the most important nutrient for building muscle. Use simple sources at home: eggs, milk, sprouts, peanuts. Carbs and fats are also needed for energy, so balance roti, rice, fruits, and nuts for everyone. There is no need for extreme dieting. Just keep your focus on clean and home-cooked food. Hydration. And yes, the most important, water. Definitely drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water a day. Hydration boosts both your performance and recovery. So if you follow the right rest and a smart diet along with your workout, your transformation will be even faster and the results will be long-term. Step 5. Consistency and mindset. You know the right workout to build a good body, and you're also following a good diet, but you still won't get results. Why? The answer is simple: consistency and mindset. The body isn't just built by lifting dumbbells. It's built by the discipline you show in your daily actions. Mindset is the biggest killer. Overthinking, distractions, and energy drainers. Listen carefully. Testosterone is a natural hormone that is super important for muscle building, motivation, and focus. But when you stay stuck in frequent masturbation or porn, your testosterone level starts dropping. You feel low energy, laziness, and a lack of drive. According to studies, frequent masturbation artificially spikes your dopamine and kills real-life motivation. So if you are serious about your transformation, you have to control all these things. Make yourself strong on a mindset level too. Build discipline. Make a proper routine and follow it without breaking for 21 days. The mind also becomes strong only when you remain loyal to your words. So brother, if you want a dream physique, along with workout and diet, you will have to make your mind a champion too. And always remember this: consistency means power. Mindset means foundation. The rest are all results. If this video helped you even a little bit to move forward in life, then please don't forget to join us by subscribing to the channel.